Today's video is the top deadly rifles in the world. People purchase guns for one reason to another. Contrary to what those who defend the right to own high-powered assault rifles believe, not all guns are created equal. 1. DSR Precision DSR-50 Sniper Rifle. 2. Accuracy International AS-50 Sniper Rifle. 3. The Tracking Point Rifle. 4. XM307 Advanced GRU Machine Gun. 5. Uzi Submachine Gun. 6. FNF 2000 Assault Rifle. 7. Heckler & Koch HK416 Assault Rifle. 8. NG3 Machine Gun. 9. Desert Eagle. 10. Thompson M1921. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For more educational content like this, let me know in the comments section what you want me to make next video. Thank you.